Hi, I'm Navid Ansari, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can have text-to-speech in GameMaker for Windows games. So without any further ado, let's begin. So as Stefan told me on the video that I did about text-to-speech for Android, and he said that if you can do the Windows version, and I forgot about that. I did make it ready now, and let's do that. If you go to my itch.io, you can see that we have text to speech for Android, and I did explain to you how you can use it. In this video I will put all these links in description down below, so don't worry about that. And now I want to show you the text-to-speech for Windows in GameMaker. So you can just click on the link in description down below for you to find this. In here, just hit download. You can donate, it helps me a lot. But if you don't want, just click on no thanks, and you will go to the download page and hit download. And when you download it, I want to create a new project of GameMaker language. Let's call it TTSW for text to speech Windows, or you can call it whatever you want. Or maybe you have a project already, so you can use that, of course. What you need to do, just go to tools, go to import to local packages, and just open the file that you download from itch.io. Hit open in here, and what you need is just this extension. Click add, click import, and now you have this extension. Just for testing that, let's just create an object here. Let's call it obj test, and let's create a mouse event of global of left pressed. And in here, what you should do is just say speak, and for the first parameter you should put the string that you want it to be your audio, right? So I want to say hello world, okay, whatever you want. And after that, the second input, you can see it here, the gender, if you want it to be a male or female. So if you put 1 in here, it will be female, or if you put 2 in here, it will be male. So let's just test the male first. Now that we have this, let's just run it. Whenever and wherever I click, because we add event of local global left press, we can click here. Of course, I did forget to add this object to our room, so let's just add it fast to wherever you want. Now that we add this object to a room, when we click on our
Hello
game,
world.
let's say hello world.
Hello world.
And now let's just change the gender from male to female. You can see it here. 1 is for female, 2 for male. And again, run it. It should be a female voice.
Hello world.
Let's just change the text. Say my name. And for the voice of the female, again, run it.
Say my name.
And you can see whenever we click, it says say my name.
Say my name. Say my name.
Of course, if you had any problem with this extension, please leave it in comment down below. I try my best to fix it. But before we stop, let's just go to my page to show you something. If you wanna find out more cool extension that I think you should have in your GameMaker project, just go to my YouTube channel in GameMaker extensions playlist, and in here I did create some cool extension for free, and you can see that we have in-app review that I think if you're developing game for Android, you should have that in your game so everybody can rate your game. We have text to speech in GameMaker Studio for Android, and we have vibrate feedback in GameMaker. We have toast for debugging. We have a lot of things, and I did explain to you how you can create them for some of them, because in one of the video that I was teaching you how you can create an extension, I did say that if you want me to create more stuff like this, like how you can create an extension for Windows or Android, but nobody responds. So I assume that nobody interested in learning how you can create an extension. So I did some of these for Android and Windows. Because I don't have iPhone, I can't create extension for that, because I can't test my code. So that's the problem for me. Let's just close this. I want to show you another thing. I have a all my product winter sale to 2021, and you can see that you can create two complete game with this. It's for top down, and it's for side scroll stuff. Everything is in here. We even have some GUI stuff in here that looks cool, and all of them it's just for $20. If you want to buy it for each one after this sale, it will be $108. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please, if you want to help me, hit that like button. It helps me a lot. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.